Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common problem faced by many homeowners: how to clean oil stains from a driveway. Whether it's from a leaky car or spilled motor oil during DIY projects, oil stains can be stubborn and unsightly. But fear not, we've got you covered with effective solutions to restore your driveway's pristine appearance. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get oil stains off driveway. Step 1. Assessing the stain. Before diving into cleaning, it's essential to assess the severity of the oil stain. Fresh stains are easier to remove than older ones that have had time to set into the pavement. Additionally, consider the type of driveway surface, concrete, asphalt, or pavers, since each may require different cleaning methods. Step 2. Absorbing excess oil. To begin the cleaning process, start by absorbing excess oil from the surface of the driveway. Sprinkle a generous amount of absorbent material such as cat litter, baking soda, or sawdust over the stain. Allow it to sit for several hours or overnight to soak up the oil. Step 3. Preparing a cleaning solution. Once the excess oil has been absorbed, it's time to prepare a cleaning solution. For concrete driveways, mix equal parts of dish soap and hot water to create a soapy solution. For asphalt driveways, use a commercial degreaser or a mixture of laundry detergent and hot water. Step 4. Scrubbing the stain. Using a stiff bristled brush or a pressure washer, scrub the oil stain vigorously with the cleaning solution. Focus on the affected area, applying firm pressure to loosen and lift the oil residue from the surface of the driveway. Repeat the scrubbing process as needed until the stain begins to fade. Step 5. Rinse and repeat if necessary. Once you've scrubbed the stain, rinse the driveway thoroughly with water to remove any remaining cleaning solution and oil residue. If the stain persists, repeat the cleaning process or try alternative methods, such as using a commercial oil stain remover or applying a poultice made from clay and solvent. And there you have it! By following these simple steps, you can effectively clean oil stains from your driveway and restore its beauty. Remember to address spills promptly to prevent them from setting into the pavement. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning!